Creating a Facebook page does not have to be necessarily difficult. You might already have those photos, videos, text, and ideas that are required to build your Facebook page. You just need to sit down and work through some simple steps to get your page up and running. Hello viewers and welcome to Marketing Monday Sessions with Win You All. The topic for today's video is how to set up your Facebook page in 7 easy steps. So let us dive into how to create a Facebook account for your business. And by following these easy steps, you'll be able to launch your page by the end of the day. Before signing up for your Facebook business page, you need to log in to your personal Facebook account. Don't worry, the information on your personal account will not be publicly visible on your business page. Step 1. Sign up. Log into your personal Facebook account. You will find a plus sign on the top bar near your name. When you click on the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option called Page to create a page. While you might be tempted to leave the details for later, it's important to fill out all of the fields in your Facebook page's About section right from the start. As Facebook is often the very first place a customer goes to get information about you, having it all there is very important. Enter the page name, category of your business, and a little bit about your business in the description box. Then click on Create Page. You will then receive a notification stating your page has been created successfully. Step 2. Add your profile picture and cover photo. Next, you will upload profile and cover images for your Facebook page. It's important to create a good visual first impression, so choose wisely here. Make sure the photos you choose align with your brand and are easily identifiable with your business. Once you have chosen a great photo, click Upload Profile Picture. Now, it's time to choose your cover image, the most prominent image on your Facebook business page. Once you have selected an appropriate image, click Save. Ta-da! You have a Facebook business page. Step 3. Create your username. Your username, also called your vanity URL, is how you tell people where to find you on Facebook. Your username can be up to 50 characters long, but don't use extra characters just because you can. You want it to be easy to type and easy to remember. Click Create Page @username in the left menu to set up your vanity URL. Click Create Username when you are done. Step 4. Tell your story. You have filled in all the simple details about your business, but there's not much here yet to tell people why they should engage with your business on Facebook. Fortunately, there is a section of your Facebook business page where you can add more details about your business. To access it, scroll down and you will find the About option. Click on Edit Page Info and fill in the details. Add contact information, location, business hours, and under More, you can insert specific details about the business. Step 5. Create your first post. Before you start inviting people to like Facebook page of your business, you should post some valuable content. You can create some of your own posts or share relevant content from leaders in your industry. You could also create a specific type of post like an event or product offer. Just click on Create Post in Facebook. Upload your photo and your caption. Make sure that whatever you post offer value for your visitors when they arrive on your Facebook page, so that they'll be inclined to stick around. Step 6. Invite your audience. Now you need to get some fans. Start by inviting your existing Facebook friends to like your page. Click on 3 dots mentioned under plus sign. Add a button, you will find the Invite Friends option. Click on tick box to invite your friends and then click on Send Invitations. Step 7. Add Call to Action. There are hundreds of reasons why people visit your business on Facebook, and you may not be able to provide them with all the information they need right on your page. But you can provide them with a way to get it by setting up a Call to Action button. Facebook's built-in CTA button makes it very easy to give the consumers what they are looking for, including allowing them to engage with your business in real life. To add your CTA, click the blue box that says plus, add a button. Then choose which kind of button do you want? Depending on button you choose, you may be asked to select some additional options. When you are ready, click Save and your call to action button will go live. There are so many other options available on your page. Explore your page and understand its use. Your Facebook business page is now up and ready to deliver some beautiful content to your fans. Grow it into something beautiful. If you liked our video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you want to know about something specific, then do mention in the comment section below. Thank you and have a great day.